Are you ready to transform your life with just $1,000? Imagine starting a business that could change your financial future without needing a fortune to begin. Stay with me, because I'm about to share 5 brilliant business ideas that anyone can start today with a small budget and big dreams. Let's dive in. Hello, and welcome back to Invest Vision Hub, the channel where we guide you to smarter investments and financial growth. Today, we're talking about something life-changing. 5 profitable business ideas. You can start with just $1,000. Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5 or earn extra income, these ideas are low risk, high reward, and easy to start. Let's get right into it. Idea 1. Freelance services. If you've got a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal are gold mines for finding clients. With your $1,000 budget, invest in a good laptop if you don't already have one, and maybe some courses to upskill. The beauty of freelancing is that you can scale your earnings over time, turning it into a full-time income stream. Idea 2. Reselling products online. Next up, reselling. You can buy items in bulk from wholesalers or source unique products from local markets, then resell them online. With $1,000, you can start small by focusing on trending products like eco-friendly items, handmade crafts, or even vintage clothes. Use platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy to reach a global audience. Profit margins in reselling can be as high as 50%, making this a lucrative choice. Idea 3. Cleaning services. Here's an idea with minimal setup costs and high demand. A cleaning service. Invest in quality cleaning supplies and advertise locally or on platforms like TaskRabbit. You can offer home cleaning, car cleaning, or even specialized services like carpet cleaning. The great thing about this business is that it's always in demand, and word-of-mouth referrals can skyrocket your growth. Idea 4. Personal fitness or yoga classes. Are you passionate about fitness or yoga? With a basic certification and some affordable equipment, you can start offering classes in your community or online. Your $1,000 budget can cover certification costs, yoga mats, and marketing. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube can help you attract clients. Plus, the health and wellness industry is booming, so there's no shortage of potential customers. Idea 5. Digital products or courses. Finally, create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. If you have expertise in any field, you can monetize it by teaching others. Platforms like Gumroad and Udemy make it simple to start selling. The best part? Once you create your product, it becomes a source of passive income. With $1,000, you can invest in tools like Canva for design or Teachable for hosting your course. So there you have it. 5 profitable business ideas you can start with just $1,000. Remember, the key to success is taking that first step. Which idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Invest Vision Hub for more practical tips to grow your wealth. See you in the next video.